Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 34 how to download an IG story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone itself, click on the application Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then make sure you have an IG story posted to Instagram. If not, go to the left top corner, click on the plus sign, and then record or take a photo of an IG story. Change the contrast, use a couple of words, hello, IG and hashtag, change the background of the text, send to your story. And now the question is, how do I download this to my phone? Click on the IG story itself, go to more. If we had copied the link, we could click that, but we could go to the iPhone homepage, go to the repost app, and then we see stories. My story is there. Click on this. Click on Hello IG, the whole story itself. Go to the right hand top corner of the screen. Click on the phone. Close. Go back to your iPhone homepage. Go to photos. And now we see the IG story has been downloaded to your phone. No watermark. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.